You can't get rich slow. Andrew, are you on the line?
Yeah, hi JB, hi Del. Thanks for inviting me to be on the radio today.
Walk us through what's happened for you and your family.
Yeah, this refi check I got was pretty amazing. So, I knew I'm invested in a 51 unit in San Antonio with our lead, Kelly Simmons, and she did a fantastic job. And, I knew all along that we were going to get a big refi out, but, when you actually go to the mailbox and pull the check out, like you just can't believe it when it actually happens. One day I went in, I got the check out, 100% refi, so that's the full amount that I invested. I got the check for it. And this deal, it gets even better than that, because even though we pulled out all of our initial capital, we still have twice that amount of equity left in the deal. And on top of that, the lead has since added 4 new units, which is going to further increase our equity by another 50%. So it's just been an incredible deal. And JB, John Ridgway, and Dell, it's really, I got the result, it's because of your mentorship, and I'm really grateful. It's, your mentoring sessions, your involvement in the program, in person, on the radio, and in training videos. It really instilled the necessary knowledge and confidence that gave me the ability to move forward with this and the other investments I've made.
It's pretty impressive, Andrew. I can't already believe that everybody out there hearing that can even believe that's what I'm thinking. It's hard to believe you can make 100% return. By the way, being a cash out refi, that means there's no taxes on that money either, correct?
That's right. Yeah, no taxes at all. Yeah. And now, on top of that, what I didn't mention, we are getting 11% cash flow annually, which we're also not paying taxes on. So this deal just has been really incredible for me. And it's, really thanks again to our lead, Kelly. She's just done such a fantastic job.